Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove default clothes on your avatar on Roblox mobile and how to do to look it like this. So now once you have opened your Roblox application, you want to press on the avatar in the middle. Then at the top you will see marketplace and customize. You want to press customize, and then you need to press, for example, on head and body. You want to remove it and add a default one. Then you want to remove the hair, just basically press on it. And now you need to also go to the clothing and basically remove everything like shoes and some t-shirts. Now once you will do that, you also want to press on head and body and go to torsos. So for example, I need to remove it here, and now as you can see it's already a default. Now all we need to do is go to head and body and skin. Then on that you want to go ahead and press advanced, and you want to change the colors. So if you would press on all, for example, as you can see the torso is still not changing. You would choose torso. As you can see, you can change the torso color just like so, and then all you need to do is just choose the same color for every single part of the body. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.